we've been to so many different campsites during this whole adventure. This one's kind of interesting. It's a hip camp, so someone just owns this property and they just open up the property for people to stay on. I think we have like about 14 Honda Elements today, a lot of the same crew that we were just with, but this here is what we're dealing with. And I gotta say, it's pretty dang magical. There's a small pond over there, which we'll check out for sure. And the lady that lives here, she mows all this grass. And it's very peaceful. This is where we're gonna stay for tonight. I'm gonna cook a little something in the element before everyone else arrives, but I think this is like almost a week we've been on the road, and it's been quite the adventure so far. I'm having a blast, and it's been really good to like be with the Honda Element community, get to know all the people who love Honda Elements, and like spend more time with them than just like a regular meet. This is like a whole experience of sorts. So anyway, let's make some P&B and enjoy the space. Hey, sexy. Hey. The gang's all here, huh?
Alps mountaineering spirit table. Super simple to set up. Got these legs, set it up like this, right there.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow. That's solid.
Yeah. Now we're gonna open up the Helinox swivel. This is the go-to chair for most needs.
Interesting.
Start from the front first.
Nice. Solid.
Doing prep work.
Collaboration.
Yep.
Right?
You both, all of a sudden, I'm like cutting. I was like, oh God, there's cameras. Don't cut yourself. Don't cut yourself.
Do we have your permission to put you on YouTube?
Yep. Yes, you do.
You got lindo.
Sure.
What's for dinner?
I'm just doing the prep job.
Okay.
I think
Got prep.
the cook is like getting a massage right now.
Priorities.
He's the one with the skills, we're just cutting.
What is it, the line cook?
Yep.
Okay. And then it's like fast, so people can add it to the quesadillas, either they want it or not. But I'm gonna leave like 3 so people can eat whatever they want.
Yes, just for cheese.
Yeah. Just make one with cheese and then I'll make
What a cool meal. Sunset evening. It looks so good. Is it time?
You know, we could eat that raw, so
Yeah.
any time is a good time.
That's true. Look at that. Fucking A, dude. Damn, bro. That's wild. Am I curious? Of course. Oh, goddamn, dude.
It still is raw, but that's still good. Hold it to eat it raw.
I think we should eat it before it gets cold.
Yes. Oh no,
I see.
please. Yeah,
Alright.
dig in. It's ready to go.
I was gonna get one piece and that's it.
Go.
Thank you, sir. For you.
Alright, my turn.
So good.
Oh man, this looks really good.
If you want any meat or anybody wants, it's on the tailgate.
Oh my.
Right?
Run!
The grand finale. The grand finale.
Run!
That's insane, dude. That's really good.
And the jalapeno after you eat it, it's a kick like pretty good.
To be something that I am giving my
Well,
attention
you have to write
to.
this.
I
You put it
I have
in
to
the
play the game on my phone.
Right.
Okay, I know.
Have you met her? Well, other than the fire incident.
Day 100
Yep.
on the road. Oh, you're.
The title is like, now we are living together, bro. Don't tell Joseph from Element 44.
Uh oh.
Uh-oh. There it is.
What's what we're doing today? Some coffee?
Just some coffee. Triple Crowned coffee from Oregon.
Nice. Neighbors, bro.
Morning calls accomplished.
So the gang has split up a little bit here. Me and Miguel are going to the Storm King hike, which is this really beautiful hike overlooking Crescent Lake in Washington, while everyone else was going in the library while they edit YouTube videos. Little section of ropes. Climbing up there. Looks good. This is fucking crazy. Yes, sir. Made it to the ropes.
There is a Steven going up. We're gonna go all the way up there. A little bit of drama for the video. That's the drama for the video.
That was pretty good.
He's like, oh shit.
Oh no! It's nice, dude.
Usually I hike it. Storm hike.
Look at this epic view right here. Like, how freaking cool is that? Wow. Capturing a human moment here.
Oh yeah. Can you believe this?
Who made that?
Kevin made the fried fish,
Wow.
and Molly made this curry, and he also made the rice.
Wow.
We are in our elements. Like,
For sure. Look at that.
it's so good. Have you had some yet?
I'm going to.
Oh my gosh. Your mouth is going to be having an orgasm.
I like that.
Yeah.
Love
Oh, you can get the plate.
Oh, the plate too. Thank you, Miguel.
Just another epic meal on Kevin.
I hope you're hungry.
Oh.
We'd love to feed you, Steve.
Always.
I record so much
Look at
videos
this.
of Kevin
You
cooking
see
fancy
this?
food.
Food right here, even from Miguel. You got to get that right. It's just look at all the variety that we have here tonight.
I'm inspired, man.
Right?
I'm inspired to cook like Kevin, dude.
Or Miguel,
Me too.
take a look at this.
After hanging out with Kevin for a few days,
Yeah, he knows how to
like,
eat.
he just blew and changed my mind. Like when it
What's
comes
possible.
to cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All day.
Look at all
You
that.
just went around everybody element and your plate looks so amazing, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Nice.
I mean, I know it's gonna be good.
I wanna get that in camera, bro.
All right, ready? Look at it. Look how
Yeah.
golden. That's okay. Golden
It
crispy.
looks just like the sunset in the back.
Yeah. You want to salt me? Yeah, I did. Oh, yeah.
Fresh
that's
pepper and
perfect.
sour. Nice.
Look at this, so golden and crispy. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Dude, that is really good. Careful. Wow.
The fucking YouTubers.
Fucking YouTubers at it again.
Yeah.
You can never just enjoy a moment.
Right. Oh, wait.
We
This
put all of
is
this for you. All this
this is so meta. Hold on.
Take it. You have to like take a look at it.
Film me filming.
Oh, this is like we did last time.
Wait, you
Right.
should film.
I should. Hang on.
All right.
I'm gonna.
We're doing
We're
filmception.
doing filmception. Okay.
I'm gonna film.
Yeah,
Tell me, is the bumper, please?
no,
Oh man.
controllers.
I got
things
it.
that you have a partner over here.
Like I said at the start of this video, it was so much fun to get to know the Honda Element community, and I hope you guys also enjoyed this journey. But the adventure continues in our next video, where we spend a day in the life with Rosa from Life in My Element, and she's lived in her Honda Element for 6 years. So we get to see what a day in her life is like. So check out that video here, and we'll see you guys next time.